I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to disable biometric login on your Spectrum mobile app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Spectrum mobile app. Launch the Spectrum mobile app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once you are in the app, navigate to the Account Settings. This is usually found in the menu or Profile section. Step 3. Select Security Settings. In the Account Settings, look for the Security Settings option. This is where you can manage your login preferences. Step 4. Disable biometric login. Find the option for biometric login and toggle it off. This will prevent the app from using your fingerprint or face recognition for login. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Remember, if you accidentally disable biometric login and can't remember your password, you may need to reset it through the app. I hope this helps you manage your login preferences easily.